Here we've got Realme 6 Pro, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So first of all, actually this is the first method to access IMEI numbers, is to open the phone dialer and now enter a secret code, which is *#, 06#. And as you can see, both IMEI numbers assigned to your Realme 6 Pro, assigned to both of SIM cards of yours, are included here. So just tap on OK to go back. And now you can also open those numbers through the settings. To do it, you have to go to the list of all apps, select the settings, then find and pick About Phone, and now locate and open status. It's right here. Find and pick IMEIs, so it's 1 and 2, and also a bit lower you've got serial number assigned to your phone. So this is it. This is how you can locate unique numbers related with your Realme 6 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.